Welcome everybody, this is the boy JC. What I'm gonna unbox for you today is another gaming laptop. This one in particular is an Acer Nitro 5. This one, I picked it up from Best Buy on Black Friday for $1,099. But the day after Black Friday, I see they have it on sale for $999. So I went to Best Buy and they gave me the $100 difference, which I think is pretty cool. Now, like I said, I'm just gonna do an unboxing and I may do a video in a few weeks about the many uses of this thing, how well it handles bright light and its performance. But for right now, this is just a Intel 11 Gen i7 chip with 512 gigabytes of storage. Got a 16 gigabyte of RAM with 4 gigabytes of VRAM. And the screen is a full HD screen LCD with a 144 refresher hertz, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, and you got a HDMI 2.1 port, a lightning port, and a regular USB type A connecting port. All right, so like I said, this is a Nitro gaming laptop. I can't wait to unbox it, and it's just going to be a quick unboxing, nothing special. All right, so let me just go ahead and unbox it. So let me just go ahead right here, break the seal, and see what's inside this package. There we go right here. Nice and easy. I got it on the table. Let's see what we got. First, we got a little box inside here. Let's see what's inside it. Let's see what's inside this box. This box is comes with a power brick, as you can see, with the adapter to plug in at the back of the laptop. This also the power cord they plug into the adapter, plug inside the wall, and it comes with a nice strap. See, that's like a Nitro strap. I think that's pretty cool. And what's this? Comes with some little upgrade HDD upgrade cable. So let's put that to the side. Let's see what's inside this package. Whoa. See, this laptop, it comes to nice. Oh, look at this booklet right here. Team Evolve Battle Planet 9 GG. What's this, a game? Wanna win? Join us at Planet GG9. Look like it got some games inside, training. This looks like a nice booklet. I need to check this out. It comes with a Nitro Acer Elite support, so you could call them anytime, 24/7 for anything you need any assistance you need with your laptop. Another booklet, and this is another booklet right here for the Acer Nitro, and you can see it comes with some nice padding. I like that very much. It's well protected. Now I take the padding off. As you can see, when you take it out, it comes with a nice little carrying bag. And this is it right here. Ooh, look at this. I know the lighting is going to pour right now because I'm in a different place. This is the Acer Nitro. Let's go see right here at the side. Probably can't see because of the light, I'm sorry. The HDMI 2.0, the lightning, USB type A on one side. On the second side is with the Ethernet and 2 USB type A. With a headphone jack, yeah, and right here at the back, that's where you plug in your power adapter. So let's open it up real quick and see if there's any juice. But first, let's do the one hand open test. See if we can open it with one hand. I got my finger. Opens easy, no hassle. So let me turn it around right here for you guys so you can see. Let's see if there's any juice in it. Here's the power button. So this is kind of annoying. This is the second Windows gaming PC that I bought, and when I press power, it ain't got no juice. This is ridiculous. But when I use a Apple product, it got juice. It don't make no sense. But also this Acer Predator, it got the Intel i7, like I explained to you before, and this one is the RTX with RTX 3050i. That's the latest in the Intel with a nice NVIDIA GE with GeForce, which is pretty cool. And also, usually with some of these laptops, it comes with a Xbox Pass for 1 month. So I may give it a try. And the good thing I like about these gaming PCs, you can download PlayStation, I think the PlayStation app, and you can live stream your PlayStation games on the PC Windows at a 1080p resolution. But before then it used to be 720. So PlayStation do an update, and you can stream your games on the PlayStation now for at 1080p, which I think is pretty cool. I'm just going to plug this up to see, fire it up. Plug it into the outlet right here. Like I said, sorry for the lighting. I'm out of town. Okay, let's plug this into the back. As you can see, plug it into the back of the PC. Okay, let's see if there's any juice. Fire it up real quick for you guys so you can see. And also, you could see you got storage. You got a dual M.2 support. You got one HDD slot, and they also support SSD. So you got dual support. And I think the SSD port, you can put in a nice SSD card. I believe it's a 4 gen. You can use 2 gen, 3 gen, 4 gen, something like that. Yeah. And also, you got dual double shot port. You got double fans, and it comes with the immersive Goomin audio. Got a nice audio. It comes with 2 speakers. I want to see that for myself. But let's see if this got some juice and take it from there. Nope, it's disappointing me. You ain't get no juice. So I guess I'm gonna have to wait a while. That's one thing I don't like about Windows PCs. They never have no juice right out the box, which is disappointing. Okay, there we go. Let's see if I can fire this up, and then I'll wrap this video up. And it won't. Okay, there we go. Look at the red light. Look at that red light. It's nice bright red keys, and it's not so overly bright that it messes your eyes up. It's distorted. You know what I'm saying? You still can see everything clearly. Touchpad, kind of plastic. The screen is not that wobbly. It's a little bit firm, which I like. Very smooth. Very nice keys. Got the number pads right here on the left, which is awesome. I always like that. That's a nice little touch. You got the arrow keys right here. And the layout is pretty simple. I like this. For a $999 gaming PC, it's pretty cool. And it's upgradable up to Windows 11. So boom. And the screen is pretty bright, as you can see right there. I'm sorry I'm not at home, I'm out of town. So I'm just doing this in a little dark corner, so don't judge me. But again, this is just a quick unboxing of the Acer Nitro 5. And this one is with
to set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
So like I said, this is just a quick unboxing. So I'm gonna work with it a little bit, and then I may put out a video in a few weeks. Like I said, go on bestbuy.com or go to your local Best Buy store. You got it for $9.99 right now while it's stock. I'm gonna see if we're gonna see how capable it is. If we can keep up with the Asus Zephyrus M16 that I haven't finished using yet. And that's basically it. This is the boy JC. Thanks for your time, and I hope I see you in the next one. Peace out.